Hello, I am CLOYDANN JOSES GRECIA, and this is the third take of the night. So, let's proceed to first question. What is the smallest number of coins that can represent $1.56 using quarters, dimes, nickels, and pennies if all the coins must be represented? So, in dollars, and the question is 1.6, and the quartz is 6.24, the dimes is equals to 15.6, and the nickels is 31.2, and the penny's value is 156. So let's proceed to number 2. If the surface of the area of the spherical tank is 2000 square meters, solve the volume of the sphere. The volume of the sphere is a 3 halves over 6 times pi squared times square root of pi. So let's enter. Um, and it has the volume of 8410.44. So it's accurate. I just solved it. So I forgot to X this. Let's proceed to number 3. Find the volume of a right circular cone of radius of 5 meters and a height of 6 meters. I know this formula, but I just show it to you. So here in number 3, the formula you need is 1 over 3 times pi times r squared times height. So make sure it is meters so that you can have square meter volume cubic meter. So 5, 6, so you have 157.0795. Let me just check it for you in the calculator. 1/3, that's, and that is correct. Let's proceed to number 4. Find the volume in cubic meters of an open-top box having a dimension of 200 cm by 300 by 50 cm. So first you do is take note what is the question. So in question, you have to find the volume in cubic meters. So and the given is in cm. So first given is 200 cm. This is open top box. You are finding the volume, and but that didn't matter because you are just finding the volume of an open top box. So 200, and that is 2 meters, and 300 cm divided by 100 is 3 meters, and then 50 cm is equal to 0.5 meters, and the volume of an open top box in cubic meter is 3.0. Let's proceed to number 5, and let me read to you. A car accelerated from rest and reached the top of speed of 120 miles per hour in 10 seconds. Solve the acceleration of a car in km per hour squared. As I said in number 4, you have to take note or be conscious about what you are reading, and the given is in miles per hour, and you have to find in km per hour. So enter the initial, and the formula of acceleration is equals to change in velocity over change in time. So let's proceed. Enter the formula of the velocity of a car in km per hour is equals to 0 because it starts from rest. This is should be miles, but that didn't matter because it is 0. And in the enter the final velocity of a car in miles per hour. So I corrected it because it is essential, or it is important. So in the given, it has 120 miles per hour in 10 seconds. So please put the given time in seconds. So 10 seconds is 0.002777 something hours. So the acceleration of the car is in, sorry about this, km per hour squared is 69,523.48. So in the first look it is super fast, but you know it is r squared, so it's not that, I think it's in the, it's like slow, I'm not sure about that. I didn't drive, so enter the given time. Number 6, I mean. Number 6, let me read. A body is dropped from building and reaches the ground in 8 seconds. What is the height of the building? What is the velocity of the body as it hits the ground? And what this means of what is the velocity of the body as it hits the ground is the final velocity, and the given is 10 seconds. Oh, 8 seconds, I mean. So the given is 8 seconds, acceleration is constant 9.81, and the VI is 0. So the height of the building in meters is 13.92, because S is equals to VF time plus A squared, AT squared, I think that is right, but let me just double check it here. Sorry, it is 1/2 times AT squared, but I am sure I'm correct, but I just forgot about it. And the final velocity of the bodies as it reaches the ground is 78 meters per second, because VF is equals to, wait, let me just open it so we don't have any problem. VF that is correct. Let's proceed to number 7. Let me just confirm it in my program. Number 6, and the building height is final velocity reaches the ground 9.8 times 8 plus VI. Okay, it is correct. This is 9.81 times 8 equals to 78.48. So that's correct. Sorry for the delay, but I am sure it's correct. Enter the value of x as approaching to 5. So let me explain to you, and the answer is 10, because it's approaching to 5. You have to, oh, I didn't show it here. You have to minus 0.01, so it becomes 4.99. I just approaching, not in 5. So approaching 5 is 0.01 is equals to 4.99, and this is 5.01, so almost 5 but not 5. So the limit is approaching to 5, x approaching to 5 is 10 here. So here comes the final rules about the extra problem, extra challenge that sir prepared to us. So challenge problem: find the equation y is equal to mx plus b of a line passing 2 points. So a or x is equals to -2 and x2 is equals to 3. So here let's just put minus -2. I did this because to make my program neat, because I think it is so confusing about this x1 minus 2. So I just did that. So in x2 the given is 3. The enter value of y, first value of y is 0. And the second value of y is 6. And take note that it is given, so I'm not just putting it here. So the equation of the given point is y is equals to 1.2x should be plus, I think it should be plus mb and b plus b. I think it is b. I didn't put plus sign, so I'm sorry about that, but it is 1. I didn't put a plus sign. 1.2x plus 55.4. So sorry about that. Just fix it. Here should be plus and that I think it's it. So I'm sorry about that. I just fixed it. So the equation of the given point is y is equals to 1.2x plus, just put plus in there, 5.4. Thank you and good night.